Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to bold and italicize and add comments in a web page. Okay, this is from my previous video. Here we have seen a header and also a paragraph, that is P. Then also we seen the second header, and also we seen how to break and print it in the next line. All these things we saw in the previous video. Here we are going to see how to bold, italicize and comments the paragraphs. Okay, now let's go ahead and start with okay, here we have a paragraph. Now for example, let's say how to underline, like for example, if we say best page ever, and let's say I want to put an underline after this is my paragraph. To do that, what you have to do is just, okay, here let me see, best web page ever, this is my paragraph. Under this I want to put a line, like a separate line. To do that, after this is my paragraph, just go down here and type this greater than HR / this one, like this, and serve this one. Let's serve this, and when I run this, now you can see here we have a line after this. Okay, that is one thing. Now let's see how we can underline and also we can italicize. Okay, and also we are going to bold this one. Okay, now let's do it in this one. This is the second paragraph. So this is the, after I want to make this second paragraph bold, so I put strong here and end that one with strong, and I want to italicize this one. To italicize, I'm done with this tutorial. I put small em. I'm done with this tutorial and done with this. After this I put another em /em, and that's it. Now let's serve this one and run and see what happens. Here you can see second paragraph, because we put strong, and I'm done with this. We put em, that's became italicized. I'm done with this tutorial, and that's how we can bold and italicize in a web page, paragraphs in a web page. Okay, now what else we can do? We have done this one. Now let's see how to add comments. Let's get rid of all these things. Okay, here we have body, and let's say I want to put hi my em. I italicize this one, em, and my name /em is Tiliban, and then I am going to type something else. Let's say change this paragraph under me, change this paragraph under me, and after that I'm gonna put P for the new paragraph, P, and I am very lucky, and end this one with /P and finish it like this. Okay, now let's serve this one and run and see what happens. Okay, here we go. click this serve and I'm gonna open this. Now here you can see, hi, my name is Tiliban, and after this name is italicized because I put em after the between names, so that is italicized. And change this paragraph under me, and I am very lucky. Okay, all this printed out. Now here we are going to see how to add comments. Comments are basically only the user can see and others cannot kind of ignore. So comments doesn't appear here. Now let's see how to make this one as a comment. Change this paragraph under me. To do the comment, what we have to do is we just have to type this sign and exclamation after this, and we have to end this one with, okay, this one we should end it with like this. I shouldn't have put in this one before, so we just have to end like this, and that's it. Now let's serve and open this. Now you can see that disappeared. Change this paragraph under me. It's disappeared because this is how we add comment. Comments are basically only the user can see, others kinda ignore. So you can see these are the basic stuff about how to bold, italicize and add comments in a web page. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn XHTML and CSS, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.